The Air Jordan 1 Mid Barely Grape refreshes the kids' lineup with a playful, youthful twist. Maintaining its iconic leather build, the design adds soft purple overlays for subtle style while bold atomic pink accents energize the tongue label, insole, and ankle flap. A standout detail is the iridescent swoosh and Jumpman logo, complemented by matching tissue paper for extra flair. Although color-shifting features have appeared in past Air Jordan releases, this edition captures a more vibrant, fun spirit tailored for young sneaker fans. Official photos showcase the shoe's unique balance of boldness and subtlety, highlighting how it continues the model's popularity among kids. Expected to drop soon on Nike.com. Jordan, the Barely Grape edition blends timeless AJ1 elements with fresh accents, making it a stylish, eye-catching release in the evolving Air Jordan 1 Mid lineup.